Hi, Mr. Montoya. I'm Alex, and I'm one of the new students in your Civics and Careers class. And this is going to be my video explaining how I learn best in class. Based on the results from the survey we did, I was deemed a kinesthetic learner, but all my results were very, very similar. For me, I think my learning kind of differs based on what class I'm learning in. So for example, in science, I tend to be more kinesthetic because I like being hands-on, doing labs, making circuits, stuff like that. While in other classes, such as like math, I like to hear the information out loud, where I'm an auditory learner. For me in class, I'm one of those people who asks a lot of questions, and I am one of those people who really likes to clarify things. So if you're explaining a concept and I don't completely understand it, I'll probably ask a few questions and ask you to clarify how stuff works. I don't like moving on from things that I haven't completely understood and learned. So if I don't completely understand a concept, I don't like moving on to the next thing. I want to fully be able to understand that concept before I move on to the next thing. So for all types of learning, I've written down a few things that I think help me when it comes to all of them. So for kinesthetic learning, which is where people are really hands-on and like doing stuff, I like to participate in activities. I talk with a lot of hand gestures, and I like to take breaks during class. For auditory learning, I like hearing the information out loud and being able to study out loud and talk out loud while I'm testing myself or get tested by people. So I have a little brother and I get him to test me a lot. For visual learning, underline specific things in my notes a lot, and my notes usually take up a lot more space than other people's would for the same amount of notes. So if I'm writing something, I write specific parts bigger than it, and I like my notes to look like even. And I also underline and highlight a lot of stuff. Those are my types of learning. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Yeah.